Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome to another vlog. I want to say it's been a while since I haven't made another video, since I think like the week before Thanksgiving or like the Black Friday rush. Anyways, I don't know. Hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving. I certainly did. I was able to hang out with my whole family and just spend some time with them together. So, just moving on with the shop and with a few things going on. And if you see, we have Kyle's RSX in here, the K24 swap. Basically what we brought over was the sandblaster, which pretty much we've had. It was just sitting at Kyle's house in his garage just for the time being until we use it. We used it a few times, but there's some things we need to upgrade it. Sandblaster, pretty much a cheap knockoff. Cheap kind to get, if you want to get into sandblasting. We bought this from Harbor Freight, pretty cheap. Need to upgrade the spray gun and hose. The hose that came with it is just too stiff, doesn't want to move around a lot, and sometimes it gets clogs around the spray gun and the spout. So when we have to like unscrew it, I don't know what's going on. And it's Harbor Freight sign. We knew like these have a few problems when you first buy them. So we're definitely going to be using them 100%.
Yeah, it's all yours. You have it. Yeah. Wide angle, yeah. I really want to take these off, but I don't think we can get to that today. Probably all this has to come off, but I want to take these off. I want to fucking strip them down, get them clean. I want to paint them.
Surprised you got some rust here.
Yeah, nothing crazy, I guess. I was looking at it earlier too.
Yeah.
Just surface, just fucking polish it if I need. But nothing to worry about. It's gonna be covered anyways.
The guy just went like snip, snip, snip.
No big deal.
Yeah, honestly. This is gonna look nice. We're gonna paint this. It's gonna be sick.
Facts. Just don't know what color yet, but
it's gonna go with the bay when you paint it.
Yeah,
when it comes to that.
Bay still, dude. I gotta fucking paint the bay. I did want to do that.
Eventually, we're gonna have to do this too. So when we're in that situation, we could probably jump into yours or something.
We're talking about my engine bay too.
Everything.
But yeah, I mean, if you could sandblast those with that machine, that would be.
We will. Dude.
Easy shit too, bro.
We just.
And then I'll take them home and paint.
You guys took off. Did you guys take off what you need to take off? Like what you don't need anymore?
No, so far just like dig manifolds up. This shit all bada bing, bada boom, ba bam, boom, ba.
Fucking timing belt.
You just buy this tripod?
What? Yeah, it's fine. Black Friday.
I need something to hold up to these socks.
You just tripod, that's that fun.
Yeah.
Now it's just like...
Just classic was snap in half.
You need one of those stands. Another guy who just proposed to fucking.
You should have brought that we had. Just throw it over the car.
Dude, I fucking hated last night.
Well, it's a little tall, huh? No shot. Wow. I'm fucking genius. Exactly what I fucking needed.
That's so funny. Well, now you know until you get the stands.
And then when I attack it, so I attack, and then we can do everything else over here, you know what I mean? So, yeah, man. Alright. We're gonna grab the welder and everything. Oh. Holy shit, bro. I'm done. Can't weld anything on a car. Without taking the fucking out, but you should take out the washer.
That was easy, actually.
It might be. I don't know though. I don't feel like it should be.
Put it in. And hold on. Perfect.
Eventually would have got to it. This one's gonna be harder because it's even closer.
Oh, wanna grab that one? You got that. There we go. There you go. Just follow my fingers, so we're gonna get all this off. So I think we're gonna take this off. Since we have, I still got one connector, got one bolt here holding this piece, and then we got one more bolt on this side that's holding this, and it should be able to come out. Other than that, yeah, so you got this wire unplugged. We need a compressor with the impact gun to take this bolt off. It's a size 22 millimeter, and we don't have the compressor set up yet, so.
I think it's gonna hurt it.
Not that much, I think.
I don't think so either.
It's not coming out that quick.
It like doesn't look that old, low key. Not like black,
Yeah.
but it don't look that old. I don't know.
I'm gonna go ahead and close out this vlog. We had a good progress, you know, removing a lot of things off, a lot of parts off the 2J, and these were just parts that, you know, that were necessary. Well, some things didn't go back on afterwards, but we're really just trying to strip it down, just because we're gonna be cleaning it, degreasing it, getting rid of all this gunk, all this dirt and shit. It's gonna be pretty much the same process like we did to the E46 and to Kyle's RSX with the engine. So what it is like, go ahead with the water hose and wash it down So it's gonna be a good progress. It's gonna be fun to do that too. Let's see all this. I can scrape my nail. You see all that. So gonna go ahead. Just gonna close out. We already finished draining out this oil. So everything's good now. So all it is, we're just gonna leave it from there and continue tomorrow. And we're gonna go ahead and just take a few more parts off and throw some engine degreaser, and then yeah, get it all cleaned up. And gonna go ahead and close it out. So definitely like and subscribe, comment as well. And stay tuned. We're gonna go ahead and give you guys some more coverage from that Tuesday. And of course, I'll get it done. And so far, so good. Yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. You guys have a good night. See you guys in the next vlog. Peace.